Hi everyone, welcome to ResepKik channel. Today I'm going to share on how to cook a simple and easy dish, fried bak choy and dried shrimp. The ingredients that are prepared are bak choy, chopped garlic, chopped red chili, smashed dried shrimp, spring onion, mushroom broth, soya sauce, and cooking oil. I'm starting to cook by frying the garlic, dry shrimp, spring onion, and also the chili. And now I'm going to add in the bak choy inside. Finally, I'm going to add the mushroom broth and also the soya sauce. And this dish is very easy to cook and simple. And this dish you could try it at home and hope you like it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode on the ResepKik channel. Bye bye.